Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyele from FX. I just want to show you a trading opportunity on Gbpaud, which is British pound against Australian dollar. So I'm on daily chart right now. So let me just show you what's happening here. If you can take a close look on this one, you can see the market has been bouncing and respecting our ascending trend line, and finally managed here to break and close below our ascending trend line right there with a massive bearish candlestick right there. So I was waiting for a retest, and we on our retest now. Let me take you to 4-hour chart. Maybe we can find something interesting right here. Let me remove this thing here. Yeah, I think we do find something interesting. So let me just draw my line here and take you to line chart. Maybe if I can construct something like this. You gotta decide which side you wanna be on. It's either you are on a bearish side or a bullish side. Right now I'm on a bearish side because, as you can see, the momentum is very bearish, and after that break of our ascending daily ascending trend line, we should expect further downtrend on this pair. So you will go right here. Maybe the market or the price can push maybe up to this point. That's where my entry will be, right on the resistance, which is this daily resistance right there, and also with my descending trend line. I'll just enter right there. I'll have to get a confirmation candle, which would be a bearish candle, before taking any short positions right there. This will be a great trade. As you can see, the target is very high risk to reward. It will be very good. So I will be watching this one. So make sure you trade safe, enjoy your trading week, and make sure you always calculate the risk before taking any trade. I'm Lunga Kanyele from FX. See you again next time. Goodbye.